Hey Steve, this screencast covers how you'll update the website for the meeting minutes. And that information is found in the news. So I'm just pulled up the website, obxstorm.net, and then you can see here all of the previous meeting minutes and other posts. So you can see if we drill in just by clicking on one of these photos, there's the minutes that I posted. And now we're going to do that in the ModX manager. So I'm going to type manager after obxstorm.net in the URL in the address bar there. You have your own login. So you'll enter your username and password. And this shows you the ModX manager. So we'll see news in the left column here, and that little icon will allow us to drill into it. You can see if I click on news, the resource ID is a 5. It shows all the children resources below it. And I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and the easiest thing to do here is right click on the last resource and then left click on duplicate resource and then left click on OK. So that gives us an exact copy of the last post. Now we can left click on edit and we can drill in. First things first, this menu index I'm going to change. I'm going to increase the number to 23. Then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to pull down save and continue editing and then left click on save. And you'll notice over here in the left column, it now in red italics shows our duplicate moving to the bottom, and that just allows me to keep track of where the most recent meeting minutes are or most recent posts. And now I'll just start to go in and replace some of the text. Okay, so October is the most recent meeting minutes I have, and I've gone through and just replaced June with October in these fields: title, long title, description, URL alias. You want to make sure there's just no white spaces here. That's why the hyphens are in between the words here. Summary, and then also the menu title. I've saved it, and we can preview it, left clicking the preview button, and that shows us we've got our new page, and we've really, the only thing left is to replace this content here with the content we have in the Word document. So we'll go back to the Manager tab. I left clicked on it, and I'm going to pull up the Word document you sent me, and I'm basically going to copy all of the relevant information, and then I'll paste it. So I guess first I selected it, and then I'll go back to my browser, Google Chrome. You can use Internet Explorer, Firefox, any browser. And then we're going to click inside the resource content, select all of that. I delete it first by hitting backspace, and then I do Control V, which is paste. I'm going to make sure we get the correct date there. So it was actually October. See what happens if it looks like the font's a little bigger. I want to bring that down from a header 3 to a header. Oh no, header 3 looks pretty good. That's fine. Let's maybe bring these down from header 2 to header 3. And I'm just selecting the text, and then I'm going up inside this WYSIWYG editor, and I'm pulling down the header menu and choosing header 3. We can bold this if we want. You can see the bold tag. We'll save again. The last step, we're going to need to publish this, and that'll change this red italics into a black text. And we do that by just left clicking on settings and then checking the publish box and then clicking save. And now if we do preview by left clicking, it should launch our director meeting minutes. It's got the default photos in here. We can jump back in and change those if you want, but that's it in a nutshell. Really fast. If you wanted to get minutes up, that's how you would do it. And if we go back to the overview page and click news, you can see we've got our our director meeting minutes for October. Let's go in and just change the photos so you can see that. So there's a banner image. If you want, we can just remove that. And then let's choose a new photo. I've created a news subfolder on the website where I'm storing all of these, and if I want to go in and find one that I like, I can do that, save, or you could create your own. Let's see what happens if we refresh now. So that looks pretty good. That's an old photo. If we click it, you notice that the banner image is gone. And that's it in a nutshell. These little tags at the bottom are kind of neat. They get entered here. If you separate them by commas, and then if somebody wants to go in and just click on one of the tags, it'll show all the minutes that were ever created. If you have questions for this, let me know. Hope that's helpful, and good luck.